Welcome to Code Station.
Welcome back, JavaScript enthusiast. Today we are delving into the powerful world of functions. Now, who can remind me what a function is? Is it like a block of code that performs a specific task? Exactly. Functions are indeed blocks of reusable code that perform a specific task. Let's start with a basic function. Here, we have declared a function called greet that takes a parameter name. When we call this function with a name, it prints a greeting to the console. So, if I call greet John, it will print hello John. Exactly. Now functions can also return values. Take a look at this. So this function add numbers takes two parameters and returns their sum. The result is then stored in the variable sum. You have got it. Functions can have input parameters, perform actions, and return values. Now let's explore the concept of scope, which we've already covered in the previous video. So variables declared inside a function are only accessible within that function. Exactly. This is known as the scope of a variable. Variables declared outside of any function have a global scope. It means it can be used anywhere in the code. Can functions be assigned to variables? Absolutely. They are called function expressions. Here is an example. Let multiply is equal to function with parameters a comma b, bracket return a into b, console.log multiply with parameters 3 comma 4. The output will be 12. So multiply is now a variable that holds a function. Precisely. Now let's bring it all together with a practical example. Imagine you are building a simple calculator. We will create functions for addition, subtraction, and multiplication and division. So here, function add with parameters a comma b. It will return a plus b. Function subtract, function multiply, function divide. Now here console.log add 5 comma 3. Here the output will be 8. Console.log subtract 7 comma 2. The output will be after subtraction 5. The console.log multiply 4 comma 6. Output will be 24. Console.log divide 9 comma 3. Output will be 3. Console.log 5 comma 0. Output cannot divide by 0. We have also used in the function divide, we have used the if-else statement. This makes functions seem really practical. They are like building blocks of code for creating complex programs. Absolutely. Functions allow you to organize your code, make it reusable, and tackle complex problems step by step. In our next video, we will explore more advanced concepts. So stay tuned and remember, keep coding.
Thank you.